And here we have the garage. Great built-ins, excellent storage. Storage above, these are on a pulley system. Just quick up, down, man, you got your stuff stored. Little cluttered right now, as of course you know they are moving out in preparation for the new owners. The owner and I just had a pretty extensive conversation. It tells me this utility room door here, if you just leave it open, it heats the garage. The garage is not actually heated, but between this and the radiant heat from the home, there are never any problems, even on the coldest days. More built in. And back into the house.